Welcome to Amsterdam, a city famous for its rich artistic history, charming canals, and iconic narrow houses that date back to the 17th century Golden Age. With its maze-like streets, Amsterdam offers something for everyone, from the peaceful vibes of Jordan to the bustling heart of the city center. Whether you're into culture, history, or just want to enjoy a scenic canal ride, Amsterdam has it all. In this video, we'll take you through the top 10 must-see spots in the city. So, grab your camera and join us as we explore the best of Amsterdam. 10. The Anne Frank House is a powerful museum dedicated to the life and diary of Anne Frank, the young Jewish girl who hid from the Nazis during World War II. Located in the building where she and her family lived in hiding, the museum offers a deeply moving experience of resilience and human spirit. 9. The Van Gogh Museum is home to the world's largest collection of works by the Dutch master Vincent van Gogh. Here, you can immerse yourself in his famous paintings, sketches, and letters. It offers a unique insight into his troubled life and the development of his distinct artistic style. 8. A canal cruise is one of the best ways to explore Amsterdam's iconic waterways. As you glide along the canals, you'll see the city's stunning architecture, charming bridges, and picturesque houseboats. A cruise offers a serene and informative perspective on the city's history, making it a must-do experience. 7. The Rijksmuseum is the premier art and history museum in Amsterdam, showcasing masterpieces from Dutch artists like Rembrandt, Vermeer, and Frans Hals. With its vast collection, it tells the story of Dutch art, history, and culture, from the Middle Ages to the modern era, making it a treasure trove for art lovers. 6. Dam Square is the heart of Amsterdam, a vibrant location surrounded by historical buildings like the Royal Palace. It's a lively spot where locals and tourists mingle, street performers entertain, and historic monuments stand as a reminder of the city's storied past. Don't forget to check out the National Monument. 5. Cycling is the best way to experience Amsterdam like a local. With its well-maintained bike paths and flat terrain, the city is incredibly bike-friendly. You can cycle along the canals, through parks, or explore vibrant neighborhoods, immersing yourself in the atmosphere of this unique and bicycle-centric city. 4. The Bloemenmarkt is a floating flower market, famous for its colorful displays of tulips, orchids, and other flowers. Located along the single canal, it's a fragrant, vibrant place to explore. Whether you're looking to buy fresh flowers, souvenirs, or just enjoy the lively atmosphere, it's a must-see in Amsterdam. 3. The Jordan district is a trendy and charming neighborhood known for its narrow streets, quaint boutiques, art galleries, and cozy cafes. Originally a working-class area, it's now one of the city's most sought-after spots. It's perfect for a leisurely stroll to enjoy its picturesque canals and local charm. 2. Amsterdam's red light district is one of the city's most famous and controversial areas. Beyond its well-known window prostitution, it offers a glimpse into the city's open-minded and tolerant culture. You can visit museums, explore quirky shops, and learn about Amsterdam's progressive history regarding personal freedoms. 1. Vondelpark is Amsterdam's largest and most popular park, offering a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Whether you want to enjoy a leisurely walk, have a picnic, or just relax by the pond, the park provides a green oasis for both locals and visitors to unwind in nature's embrace. Amsterdam is a city that blends history, culture, and modern charm in the most captivating way. Whether you're exploring world-class museums, cycling through scenic streets, or simply soaking in the vibrant atmosphere, there's always something new to discover. So, next time you're in the Dutch capital, be sure to explore these unforgettable spots.